guys, what is up? Pardon me. So I hope you've seen part 3, I'm guessing. But if you haven't, that's fine. I just gotta fix these things. Oops. So I think for these part of the series, we're just gonna be fixing up the ground and stuff. And yeah. So yeah, we're going to be fixing the ground. So I think should I turn the microphone off? Don't know. Or I can just tell you stuff. If you haven't seen the other series, you can watch the other series if you want. But yeah. We need some light in here. Pretty much it. You guys should go check out my summoning boarding thing, and thank you so much for the 31 subscribers. I'm so thankful. I'm not joking, like actually. So yeah, okay. Oops. I'm just going to keep doing this, and then I think I will get back to you. Okay guys, so I did some, wait, can I just check if my microphone's on? Yep, my microphone's on. Sorry guys. So yeah, we've did most of this bit. We still have lots to go. Here, I'll show you. So we have that, we have that, and we have this bit. So we've practically done half, I think. So, wait, no, more than half. Okay. I'm just going to fill this. Let me just wait, what? Wait. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. Wait, they don't love you like I love you. They don't love you like I love you. Wait. Okay. So, let's... who cares? Let's fill this up. And just keep doing this. And while we're doing this, what do you guys want to talk about? Yeah, me neither. I don't know. Don't know. Do you write in the comments if you want me to keep doing Minecraft videos or live videos? Like, what do I mean? I mean like in-person videos, or should I do Minecraft videos? Because you guys are seeming to like the Minecraft videos more. Just write it down in the comments, and I will try keep fixing this. I'll try keep fixing this while you write in the comments, okay? Okay. guys. And if you hear something like, if you don't like and subscribe, you don't love your mum, don't listen to that, because you do love your mum. Or if you don't, you don't. You know? But I'm sure all of you love your parents, right? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying, little Patricia. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm just gonna keep doing this till the end over there. And hey guys, wait, is my microphone on? Let me just check. Yes, it is. Okay, my microphone is on. So let's just fill all of this in. Wait, what the heck? What the heck? Who actually cares? Like, I know I don't. It's just repairing a city, and we're just trying to get a look. I think we're just gonna do the stone because I kind of like this, but we're definitely gonna remove all the warden and yucky stuff. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna make a decision. I think I'm gonna remove all the yucky stuff, replace it with stone, and then it will look fantastic. So first, let's get... Okay guys, just for a heads up, I didn't know I stopped, the microphone stopped recording me, but we just finished part 4 and now we're exploring the city. So, yeah, have fun. Nah. Okay, guys, it looks like we've done it all. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Part 5 is coming up. Bye.